Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Biotech and Science.
We will start from the topic the cell, which is the basic structural and functional unit of life and is the basis of the beginning of every life form existing on the planet Earth. The cell consists of smaller units, the organelles. Organelles are the subcellular structures performing all the vital functions of the cell. There are many organelles varying on type of cell. Examples are mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes etc. Types of cell. Basic types of cells are bacterial cell, animal cell and plant cell etc. All these types of cell differentiate from each other. The cell is classified into two types. Eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells. Pro means before and karyon means nucleus. The life started from these cells. These are the most primitive type of cells. EU means advance. Eukaryotic cells are the advanced type of cells originated from the prokaryotic cells. The most simplest cell is the bacterial cell with few cell organelles. Plants and animal cells are advanced types of cells probably developed from the simplest cell, the bacterial cell.